Hi, I'm Teacher 4 for Anything Creativity Education. Welcome to our Creative Art program. We have developed this comprehensive art and craft program that teaches you drawing, coloring, and craft. In this program, you will have the opportunity to use different art medium such as oil pastel, color pencil, watercolor, acrylic, and many more. Each program there will be at least 4 lessons and 4 art projects. Our lesson here incorporate creativity, STEAM, key value. Please continue watching this video so that you will have an idea what are we teaching in our creative art program. For more information, please visit our website anything.net.
What do you need for this project? Piece of paper, pencil, eraser, scissor, cross marker pen, and very importantly, fluorescent sticker. Yeah, these are stickers. Before we start, let's start with some drawing. Now, how do we draw a symmetrical pumpkin? What do you mean by symmetrical? Yeah, symmetrical. Yeah. Now, let's try to draw something simple. Let's draw a love. Is this symmetrical? No. Is this symmetrical? Yes. So symmetrical means both sides are similar. Yeah, symmetrical. Yeah. So we don't want to end up drawing a pumpkin. I say I draw a pumpkin, which is not symmetrical. We want to draw a symmetrical, a more perfect pumpkin. Yeah. Let's try. Okay, more symmetrical. Yeah. Let's say it's like this. Okay. So how to achieve this? Okay. Now I'm going to show you a creative way to achieve a perfectly symmetrical pumpkin. Yeah. To achieve this. Very simple. Fold into half. You just need to draw one side. Yeah. You can see the pumpkin. Just draw one side. Like that. Oh, like that. Yeah. Draw the eye. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. That's all. Okay. Using scissors, just cut. Okay. Okay. Now the eye here, try to poke a hole. Okay, you can use a sharp object. Poke a hole there. Yeah. So you know it's here. Yeah. It's here. Okay, let's open it up. Aha! It's perfectly symmetrical. Yeah. Now let's try to draw on it. Yes. Let's have a piece of paper. Trace it. Trace it here, tracing the paper, the eye. Okay, so you have a border line here. Let's have some line here. Line here. And the eye will have something like that. Scary, right? I can color this. Yes, yeah. So, let's touch up a bit. Alright. So you see, a perfectly symmetrical pumpkin. Okay. Now, how do we transfer this picture into this sticker? Well, obviously can't because it's too big. Yeah? So we need a smaller version of this. So now let's size the paper first. Yeah, let's size it. Okay, it should be around here. Yeah. So you can see I'm not using any ruler or any mathematical instrument, just basic cutting. Just basic cutting. Okay, let's see the size. Okay, almost like that. Okay, a little bit size. Okay, let's take this away. Just repeat the process. Again, let's have this one. I want it like this. Huge. Okay, the eyes, I want it to be here. This process smaller. Alright. We put a small hole here. Yeah, it's gone through. See? Yeah, just a pumpkin here. Okay, let's get rid of that. we use this smaller sticker so it's easy to peel later. Yeah. Okay, position in such a way later it's easy to peel out. Okay, this is a take away. Just trace first. Okay, I just trace. The eyes. Okay, do like this. Do the eyes. If somebody wants nose, we can draw the nose. Alright. Now, you can use this again, yeah? This mold. Now, using marker pen, just color them. Oh, a lot inkish, huh, this one? That's very inkish. So, just be a bit careful. Inkish. Draw a line. Then you can turn the paper. There you have it, the pumpkin. Just tidy up a bit. And we should dry it up a bit. Let's use some paper to dry it. Oh, right. Oh, nice smudging. And cut. It's not very hard, right? Just cut. Just remember, you must cut so that there's a place for you to peel later. Okay? Okay. See? Ah. Yes. So there you have it. Sticker. Happy Halloween. You can see it now. Then you can stick at your hand or you can just stick here.
Well, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this video. And for those who are interested to know more about our Creative Art program, please sign out the link below. And for the first 5 respondents, you will receive mysterious gift. Yeah, so please quickly sign up, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.